Hi guys, what's up, it's Bella. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're brand new. I am so pumped for today's video. We have a what's on my iPad Pro video. I've never done this video because I've never owned like a really nice iPad. I haven't had one in like 5 years, so very pumped for this thing. I actually just received this a few days ago on the 21st, which was Friday. And I waited so long for this. Like I said, I haven't had a nice iPad in so long. So I ended up getting the new one. And we're gonna talk about it and show you guys what's on it. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. I post 2 to 3 times a week, some super fun content. It feels like home over here. So I do want you guys to join if you're able to. Be sure to also like this video. It really does help my channel a lot. And be sure to follow my Instagram and my TikTok that are on the screen for more of like, you know, personal little outlook on me. And without further ado, let's get started. I am so excited. Okay, so I did purchase this the day it dropped. So this is the 12.9 iPad Pro with Wi-Fi. I have the 512 gigabyte and I have the silver color. I'm gonna take it off of the Magic keyboard so I can show you guys the back of it. It's literally so beautiful. Obsessed, it's so pretty. And the most exciting thing about this is it has the M1 chip, which is literally the best thing ever. Like, and I am just pumped. So this is the liquid retina display because I have the 12.9 inch. I decided to go big or go home.
Go big or go home.
I also have the Magic keyboard. This is the white version. It's so beautiful. I love everything white. And I also have the second generation pencil. I ordered all this together. This came first and then these two came on the same day. Something really cool about the liquid retina display is it is a 1,000,000 to 1 contrast ratio. It gives the most brightest, best features, and it really truly does. I haven't seen anything like it before. Like when I've been using it, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It has 1,000 nits in the screen brightness, and it also has 10,000 mini LEDs in it. I didn't get the 5G because I honestly can just use my hotspot that's on my phone if I'm out in public or something. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the what's on my iPad portion. I am so insanely excited. Okay, so here is the inside of my iPad right when you open it. I will say the only con that I found so far is that you can't do like widgets on the actual screen. So you see how I have them like on this left side. You can't do them like on the actual screen, which does suck just a little, but it's not that big of a deal. This is kind of my setup. My little background is from Pinterest. It was just under like the sensory art thing. Here's my Pinterest if you guys are interested in seeing that. But yeah, this is like kind of the outlook of it. I wanted to keep the front page super simple, but also have the main things that I need on it. So up here on the left, it just says Sunday, May 23rd, because that's when I'm filming this video. It's 8:42 a.m. in the morning. And then I have just like this little Pinterest widget right here. And this just takes it to one of my Pinterest boards. I just like having something different pop up every hour. So I enjoy that. I also have the city that I live in right now, which is Santa Rosa Beach. I live on 30A and like the weather. And then I also have my little filming schedule. So I have my stuff right there. I ended up filming what's on my iPad first, so that's why it might look different. But I do use Google Calendar for all my filming. I'll show you guys what today looks like. So wake up, Starbies, get ready, film, and then post my Amazon video. And I just love using Google Calendar. I think it's better than the Apple Calendar. That's just my personal opinion, but I just love it so much. So I like to have that widget right there so I can know exactly what I'm doing that day. So you'll see right below it, I have the little task, little icon. This is from Microsoft. I really enjoy this one. So I'm gonna show you guys like one of the to-do lists that I make. This is from a while ago. But you know, you just put your top prioritized things and you can click the little star and it'll take it to the top and prioritize it. And then I just love hearing that ding. Ready? Knowing that you've completed a task is so satisfying. So I absolutely love this kind of portion of my iPad. And then right beside it, I do have another quote. It says that she became the love she searched for. And this is just one of my motivation quotes / boards from my Pinterest as well. I just love being able to have like a new quote again, like every hour. It just makes me feel good and motivated and just like another pop of like inspiration. All right, one of my favorite parts, we have Apple Music. So I have my recently played album. This is Best of Country. It's by my brother. So he has like this huge playlist of like 600 country songs. And that's my most recently played album ever. Playlist. I love country music, so that's always there. We've got some Morgan Wallen. We have some beat instrumentals. I love using this playlist when I study. So if you do have Apple Music, I definitely recommend downloading this playlist. It's really great and it's just super simple, and it's also good like if you're having just like a chill vibe and you just need some like chill music. It's really good. And then I have my brother's other playlist, which is Ava. I'm a Christian, so I love listening to some worship music all the time. And we have all of these Christian like songs in this, which is super cool. And we only ever expand it like so much, so there's always new music in it. And then I just have some weekend. I was playing Camp Rock the other day, and then this song, the Castaway song from the Backyardigans. But anyways, exposing myself right here. But that is my little, you know, music thing. You can obviously change everything. So if you just hold down on the screen, press edit home screen, you can change all the widgets and add more. So this is where you can change it. I just have my basic ones that I really love up there on the top left. So right here below music, you have my notes. I'm not gonna open it because I have all my notes and like all that stuff out, but I take notes 24/7, whether that's like, you know, redoing the details for my video or something like that. I just always have that there. So I just like having it like super handy, very quick access and just right in front of me. Below that, I have a Bible verse, and then my Google Calendar again, which is just showing each detailed thing without like the actual month date thing, like compared to the one above. And then I just have a Google Chrome quick actions where I just press on things, takes me right to it. So yeah. Moving on to the actual screen, I have this Sunday the 23rd up here. I don't use the calendar app, I just like the way it says the 23rd, so I leave it. YouTube, which is one of my most used apps, so I leave it up there. And then I have my clock, always using my alarm, photos, music, notes, again, things that I just have. There's no app library on this like there is on the phone. Hopefully that's in the iOS update like coming up soon, but you know, it's whatever. Settings, my Bible, Pinterest, which I am always on. Like I just love Pinterest. It just gives me so much inspiration and it's amazing. Like look how cute that quote is. Like what? That's adorable. I just love Pinterest. And then I have college. So this is the reason I got this iPad. I'm in college. I still have like 2.5 years left, and you know, it just makes it easier. You know, it was kind of like my excuse. I have to have this new iPad to be able to do college. But anyways, so I have Pulse, which is like unique to my school. That's what we use for all of our like assignments and stuff. Quizlet, My Study Life, Socratic. Socratic is the best. We have Zoom, Google Meet, GoodNotes, OneNote, and an Evernote. There's 3 different notes on here. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out which one I like best. I used OneNote for last semester and it was really great, but I'm just trying to figure out which one is, you know, the most advanced for me. I also have a calculator in here because for some reason I couldn't find the calculator on the iPad. I have Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. So this is my like little college tab. Next up, I have utilities. I have podcasts, app store, maps, contacts, find my friends, reminders, and all that fun stuff over there. This is just stuff that I don't really use, but I don't really need out. So like I just don't really keep it out. So I just call it utilities, which is just like basic things that I don't want to get rid of, but I do need. Beside the utilities, I have work, work, work. So this is obviously my job. I love YouTube so much. And so it's just nice having everything kind of all together. So I have YouTube Studio, which is what I use to, you know, just kind of fine tune my videos. I have Affiliator, which is for my Amazon links, Magic Links, which is for my other links that I use in videos. And then I do also have Google Drive for my editor to be able to edit my videos. I upload all my footage to that and she edits away. So those are just some things I have. I would have YouTube in it, but YouTube is just not even like work for me. It's just like the actual YouTube app. I use it for like my own pleasure of like just watching videos and stuff at night. So I felt like having it in the work tab was kind of like not the vibe. So that's why I took it out. And then I just have Google Sheets, which is what I use. And then Docs, I use Sheets to plan all my videos really thoroughly, and like my calendar of like content. And then I also have Docs to outline all my videos. And then that's it for like this first like main screen. That's like basically everything on the front screen. Except for the bottom, I just have messages, calendar, Gmail, Chrome, because I like Chrome better than Safari. I always have. And I have FaceTime, my to-do tasks. I also have my regular emails. And then these are just like the last 3 that you see, like music, Pinterest, and OneNote. Those are like my most like past open apps, if that makes sense. So yeah, anyways, moving on to the other side of the screen, I have thumbnails up here at the top. I don't make my thumbnails. I actually have someone do my thumbnails for me because I'm not talented in that sense, but when I do have to make my own, just on like basic, simple videos, I use Canva, Photo Booth, and PixArt, so I have those, and it's really nice to be able to have it like open fully on my iPad. Really nice big screen. And then I have business up here. This is Adobe Scan Pages and Files. I don't really use this, but it's something that I need every once in a blue moon, so I just have it on here. I've also got entertainment, Netflix, Disney, and Hulu. It is such a vibe watching like shows and stuff on your iPad. I just really love it. So I have those 3, which I use the most. We've got shopping. I do that a lot on here. I'm moving into my apartment in like 2 weeks, so being able to shop on like a really big iPad and have everything there is really nice. I have Lululemon, which I actually prefer all of these like online, like on like Google, but I do have the apps just in case to track things. StockX, Poshmark, Urban Outfitters, Apple Store, Amazon, Nordstrom, Target, and Instacart because, you know, it's such a nice thing getting your groceries delivered. Let me just say that. So that's it for the shopping tab. I've got health. So I have my chart, which is for WHATS clinics in Florida. And then I have fitness and Peloton because why not? I love my Peloton, so I'm able to use that whenever. Google, just random Google apps, so Google Maps, photos, and Google. And then last up, we've got finance. So I have PayPal to obviously pay people. I pay a lot of my people that I work with. That's what I'll say. I pay them on PayPal. I also have Payoneer. I have Cash App. Oh, I need to get TransferWise because I use TransferWise like every other day to transfer funds to my editor and stuff like that. So that would be very helpful to get TransferWise on here. So that's great. I've got Venmo, AdSense for YouTube, and then I also have my personal banking app, which I'm not gonna show to you guys just because that's just like a personal banking app and it's just weird. I don't want people to know like, where I bank. But anyways, that's it for finance. And then it goes the same on the bottom row of everything that I have on my iPad. So yeah, that's like it. I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite features about this iPad. I truly just love being able to swipe down and just have everything right here and just being able to go back and forth from my fingers to my pencil to my keyboard. It's just a really nice luxury. And I have a feeling this is gonna help me so much with like, you know, school and stuff like that. Just being able to have everything at the tip of my fingers. It's just really nice. I'm gonna show you guys one of my college apps just to get y'all, you know, in here a little. 2 of the courses I'm taking right now are Essentials of Business Law and also Business Communications. So this is something I'm learning about right now. And yeah, this is one of my first assignments. So you aim, learn, and apply. And it's just really nice having it all here and, you know, you're just able to get it all done. I'm just gonna open my thing. Oops, I'm not close enough. There we go. So yeah, this is just all this stuff. School, just really nice to have this. And I actually already got this graded back and I got 100 on it, so that's really cool. But it's just nice, you know? I'm gonna show you guys GoodNotes. I was just kind of scrambling on here the other day. I don't know how I like it so far. It's just kind of, it's just like really different. I mean, it's definitely like cool to be able to write on it and like, you know, just be able to do different things. I love the way the pencil touches the screen and it's able to just create such a beautiful canvas. That's one of my favorite features as well. And also another favorite feature of mine, I am going to show you guys. I'm not gonna FaceTime anyone, but I'm gonna show you guys the way, I forgot the exact word. If I remember it, I'll place it up here, like the technique of this. But basically, it just follows your face. Weird angle, but. So if I move my face this way, it's gonna follow me, and I'm not even moving my iPad. I think that's so cool. It's just super different. Also, the camera is super cool on this iPad, so I'm gonna show you guys that. So if you just click here, and the camera, it's just super, super concise and clear. For an iPad, that's like pretty good, I would say. Double chin moment, look at that. So I just really like the camera. And I will say the speakers are really loud on this thing. It's really nice. And the case, let's talk about the Magic Keyboard. I love the Magic Keyboard so much. You're able to just fully take this off super quickly and just put it right back where it goes. Well, there you go. Put it right back where it goes, which is super, super handy and super nice. I do have a screen protector on this. I will link it down below. I will link all this stuff down below for you guys. And so you're able to just fully shut it and then you're good to go. The only thing about this case that is not like the best, which I don't really care for, like it's not really that big of a deal to me, is you can't like bend this back. It's always at least gonna sit like this where you're just gonna have to take it off. I don't mind, but it's just kind of a personal preference. I feel as if I've definitely customized this iPad to my liking and what fits best for me, which is super amazing about this iOS update. You're really able to fully customize everything, especially with Pinterest. Like being able to have that as one of your widgets is really, really, really nice. If I'm missing anything, I will let you guys know down below in the comment section. I try to like make sure all my videos are really thorough, but if I miss anything, which I'm human, I do, I'll have it down below for you guys. If I'm missing any like really good apps, be sure to let me know. I'm more than happy to, you know, download more apps and stuff. And let me know your favorite note-taking app for college or school or just whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you guys what's on my iPad Pro. Yeah, this is just a really fun video and I'm really like thankful I was able to buy this. Like it's super nice, and I haven't had a really nice iPad in like 5 years, so it's nice to have one now. If you are new, don't forget to stick around, subscribe, click that bell, and like this video. It really does help my channel out a lot when you give it a like. Be sure to follow my Instagram and TikTok that are on the screen to stay up to date with me. And I will see you guys in my very next video. Stay happy, stay positive, be the best version that you could ever be of yourself, strive for greatness, and I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah. Bye guys. Bippity boppity boo.